If you want to create videos with the help of AI for any social media platforms, that too for free, then I am going to tell you about a tool that will help you create stunning videos in few minutes for different social media platforms. So without wasting time, let me tell you the whole process step by step. Before further proceeding, like the video and subscribe to my channel. First we will go to ChatGPT and write the script for our video. Now to convert this script to video we will go to this website, which I have given the link in the description below. Click the Sign Up Free button. Here you will enter your full name, work email and password, and click on Create Account button, and your account will be created. You can also click on Skip here, but I will click on Create Single Video button. You can use any template here, I use this template. Here, you can select the aspect ratio for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram videos. Then click on Use this template button. Click this button here. If you have an article or blog, you can paste its URL here. But since I already have the script, I'll paste it here. Click the Continue with AI button. Now your script is being summarized. This may take up to a minute. Click the Continue button. Here, if you want to edit your script, you can. Click the Convert to Video button, and the process of converting your script into video will start. If you want, you can record your voice by clicking the Record a Voiceover button here. Here on the left side, you can add media, icons, music, style, etc. into your video. After the process of text to video conversion is completed, it has produced a great video for us. You can edit scenes, inserting images or videos according to your desire. We can see it by clicking the Preview button. Click the Publish button to download the video. It will take some time to rendering your video. After rendering is complete, your video will be downloaded automatically. Before showing the final result, let me tell you that you can do all the work on your mobile also. This website is completely free, but if you want to use advanced features you have to pay for it. So let's watch the final video. The best part is you have full commercial rights to all the video that you create using Lumen 5, that is, you can post your video on any social media platform, including YouTube, and monetize your videos. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.